ready to be evangelized? Okay, hear me out. So you're booking a flight, right? You're traveling from Los Angeles to New York. You want to book a flight. It's gonna let's go through the steps that you're gonna take to book a flight, right? So you're gonna open your phone, or you're gonna open your browser on your laptop. You're gonna type, or you're gonna look at the most popular websites that you use for your booking, right? There's like flight.com, booking.com, unitedairlines.com. There's like a bunch of sites out there where you can like book your flight, right? So you gotta first choose among those which one you're gonna choose. Then you gotta input all your details, and you're gonna input your from date, your to date, your layover. You're gonna make all those selections. You're gonna choose options that are within your budget. You're gonna make choices like, where should I stop over? What should I like do? And then finally, after pressing a bunch of buttons and inputting all the relevant information that it asks you, it's gonna take you to the submit page where you input your card details. You're gonna input your card number or whatever, and then finally you're gonna press the pay and submit button, right? And then you're gonna get a confirmation and an email, and now you're ready to book a flight, right? So think about the whole process. Think about the number of buttons it's gonna take you to like reach to the end stage, and 1,000 things could go wrong in between, right? For example, when you click your pay button, it could say, there are no more flights available, or there's no seat available at this point of time, and then now you got to do everything from square one. You're back at square one. You got to input the flight. You got to input your destination, input your budget details, and the process continues, right? All these little things can lead to like the entire wastage of 15-20 minutes. On an average, a person takes 20 to 25 minutes to book a flight, right? So, and think how frustrating it would be if you were to go back to the first page again and then start from square one, right? Now think of a time when I'm telling you that all these 10 little mundane, monotonous, frustrating, time-consuming steps are all boiled down to like, let's say 2, or even 1, or even better, no more buttons. You have not to click any more buttons. All you have to do is say. You say using your voice, and boom, it's done. Your flight is booked for you in the next 2 or 3 minutes. Imagine a time that next time you're trying to make a reservation at your favorite restaurant, you don't have to go through the endless line of lists. All you have to do is say, hey, book me a table at Nobu, and boom, a table is booked for you. It guarantees you that your table is booked, or it guarantees your flight is ready to go with your ticket ready, right? And this is the power of artificial intelligence. Speech recognition is that part of artificial intelligence where me as a user would have my commands inputted, to an app or to a streaming device, and it would learn. It would learn as and when I talk more and more to it, right? And using this concept of like speech recognition and neural networks, I can train a device to think like me, to behave and understand what I need, and to do all these little simple, frustrating tasks in a matter of seconds for me, when I don't have to manually type, and it's all done for me automatically, right? And that's what I'm looking at. That's what mesmerizes me. That ahead, that's what we're looking to do, right? So all this AI and neural networks is one part of it. But let's say next time you're trying to book a flight, it automatically tells you that, hey, go to this website, or let me try this website, and it buys you a ticket in the best budget that nobody else could have got, right? And last minute prices are like down, so it books a ticket for you without even you commanding it to. Like it knows that you need a ticket, and based on that information, it's able to execute everything. So I'll leave you all with a question, right? How much time you think you can save on an average when you're trying to book a ticket, right? Think of the number of buttons lesser you would have to click if you use a software like this. Think of the time you'd save and the productivity you'll be able to map them to. Take care.